It's already a few days to Christmas and you are yet to get brighter. Why now? When you have me on this platform. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, and in today's video I'll be telling you brightening body products that would help to brighten your skin this particular festive period. We know that Christmas is already here. And yes, I must plug you to the right products that would keep you glowy and you will glow more than even the Christmas lights. So on this particular video, I'll be telling you the products to use and how to use them so that they can work and work effectively. So grab your notebooks. Let us just dive into the video. Okay, today we're going to be taking notes because you have a lot to learn from this video. So the first thing I want you to know is that when you want to brighten your skin, you're actually going to be needing a pre-cleansing soap, and I've talked about this like over and over again on my channel. And for pre-cleansing soap, I'll be recommending the one from Cusson. Okay, this is Cusson Mild and Gentle Baby Soap. This particular soap would help to cleanse your skin and keep your skin neat. It does not brighten the skin. It does not brighten you in any ramification. It does not brighten you in any manner. Okay, so do not say that I said that Cusson brightens the skin. It only helps to moisturize your skin and wash away impurities that are on your skin, wash away dirt that is already on the surface of your skin, and give you that clean skin so that when you go in with the next product, it will work and work effectively. So when you are done pre-cleansing in the shower, the next product I'll be recommending for you would be Olay Vitamin C body wash. You see, that particular body wash is a magic in a bottle and it contains vitamin C, and vitamin C is a brightening agent, okay, from orange. And by the vitamin C that it contains will visibly brighten your skin in 14 days. And the results that you will see will be so visible that even someone that is just around you can even tell you. Like, it will be very, very visible. It actually like helps you to brighten your skin, also helps to wash your skin, wash away impurities, and give you that glow and a brighter skin that you are looking for. Okay, Olay Vitamin C body wash is a body wash that you should have in your body care routine if you want a brighter skin this Christmas and in the year 2025. Okay, so now that you are done with your body wash, I'm recommending a body scrub, because a skin that has dead skin cell will not glow. Yes, if your skin pores are closed and your skin harbors dead skin cell, your skin will not glow. Your skin pores are closed, so there's no how products will be sinking into your skin. There's no two ways about it. Products cannot penetrate a skin that its pores are closed. Do you understand? So for that, I'll be recommending the Cool Body Scrub, the Cool Turmeric Body Scrub. This particular body scrub contains turmeric, and turmeric is a brightening agent that will deeply brighten your skin and also help to exfoliate your skin, remove dead skin cell, and give you that clean skin that you are looking for. You see, this year, we must glow. And if you want to glow, you have to lay your hands on the right products. So by laying your hands on the right product, you're going to get in this particular body scrub that I just mentioned. It is actually affordable and it does the job so well. You get it and then you get an exfoliating glove, and then you exfoliate your body with it 2 times in a week and you are done. Like, you'll be seeing visible results. Focus on the areas that you have discoloration. Focus on the areas that that are hard to brighten, like your knuckle, your knee, your elbow, so that you will be seeing visible results. And when that visible result comes, it will come and it will be same skin tone. You'll be having that same skin tone. You'll not be having discoloration, or you'll be having uneven skin tone. I don't know if what I'm saying is making sense, okay? But I just hope that it is. So the next product that you'll be needing in your routine would be a body lotion, okay? And for body lotion, we're recommending the Skin by Zara Vitamin C body lotion. This particular body lotion that I've talked about in this my brightening series, okay? This Operation Glow Up Before Christmas, I have been talking a lot about this particular body lotion. This particular body lotion contains vitamin C, alpha-arbutin, collagen, and vitamin E. It also hydrates and firm and also brightens your skin, okay? It helps to hydrate your skin, fade away dark spots and blemishes, reduces the appearance of wrinkle, leaving your skin to be brighter, smoother, and also give you that younger looking skin that you are hoping to have. But this particular lotion, I would recommend that you use it only at night as your treatment body lotion, because it contains vitamin C and it will react with the sun when you go with it under the sun. I would recommend that you use it only at night. Please do not use it during the day, okay? For your daytime body lotion, I will recommend Nivea Soft Moisturizer. Nivea Soft Moisturizer is actually for your face and your body. For people that have been asking me, what can I use for my face and also on my body? This particular moisturizer is a moisturizer that can be used on your face and also on your body. It helps to brighten your skin. It helps to keep your skin moist, because we know that when in the Harmattan season, the weather is so dry, making our skin to appear very, very dry. So you'll be needing something that would help to moisturize your skin and give you that young looking skin that you are looking for. So if you are looking forward to getting a daytime moisturizer, I would say lay your hands on the Nivea Soft Moisturizer and your skin will thank you later. Okay, so now when it comes to locking in all the properties from your moisturizer and your body lotion, I would always say you should get a body oil. Body oil is something that you would not miss in your body care routine, especially this period. You need your skin to be hydrated and moisturized before you even start talking about glowing. Okay, if you want to achieve a glowy skin, a radiant skin, a brighter skin, you need to have your skin moisturized and soft. A dry looking skin cannot glow. Okay, a dry looking skin cannot be bright. A dry looking skin cannot be soft. So you have to moisturize deeply, moisturize your skin first before you look for a brighter skin. And to lock in all the ingredients from your body lotion and also keep it intact so that they will work and work effectively on your skin, that is what the body oil does. It helps to lock in all the ingredient that comes from your lotion, and then also all the ingredient that also comes from the body oil will also sink into your skin and give you that result that you are hoping to have. And for body oils, I'll be recommending Disaar Turmeric Body Gel. This particular body gel hydrates your skin and moisturizes your skin. It contains turmeric, which means that it would help to brighten your skin in no due time. So how do you use it? After your body lotion, when you are done applying your body lotion in the morning or when you're done applying your body lotion at night, you go in with this body gel and massage it onto your skin. This particular body gel deeply moisturizes the skin because it's a body gel, okay? It has a thicker consistency than a body oil. So it would help to keep all the ingredients from your body lotion intact and help it to work and work effectively. Also recommend that you use this particular body gel only at night. Please do not use it in the morning. The Nivea Soft Moisturizer is already enough when it comes to your morning moisturizer or your morning body lotion. It will deeply moisturize your skin. So do not be afraid that maybe if you go out, your skin will be looking dry. No, that moisturizer deeply moisturizes your skin. And the turmeric that is in this particular body gel would react with the sun. That is the reason why I'm saying do not use it in the morning, okay? Especially if you are going out under the sun. But if you're going to be indoors, you are free to use it. But if you're going out under the sun, please use it only at night. Do you understand? So that way you will not react, your skin will not react with the sun and then cause you skin damage that comes from the sun, okay? I know what I'm saying and I don't want you to be in that position. All right, this routine will work for you if you follow all the instructions that I've given in this video and follow the steps that I've mentioned in this video, because the Cusson baby soap would wash your skin and keep it moist, and then the Olay vitamin C body wash would help your skin to brighten because it contains vitamin C, and also the Core turmeric body scrub would exfoliate your skin and get rid of dead skin cell and also brighten your skin, and the Skin by Zaron will be your treatment lotion because it would help you to get rid of uneven skin tone and blemishes and dark spots and give you that radiance that you are looking for. The Nivea Soft Moisturizer would help you to lock in moisture on your face and also on your body if you're going to be using it on your face as well, because like I said, it's a face moisturizer and also a body moisturizer. And then to crown it all, the Disaar Turmeric Body Gel would help you to brighten your skin and also lock in all the moisture that you need this particular season, and also lock in the ingredients that comes from your body lotion and help your skin to stay moisturized throughout the night till the following morning. You are going to be glowy and radiant. Do all these steps and thank me later. Follow this consistently, your skin will thank you, okay? And if you have watched a particular point of the video, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps me to grow. It helps me to know that you are loving the contents that I'm putting on, okay? And remember to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. I always reply to my comments. So no matter what you're asking me, I would reply. I would definitely reply your comments. And share this video to someone that you know would want to achieve a brighter skin in this year 2024 before Christmas, and also in the upcoming year 2025. And on this note, stay glowy and bye.